Good morning, dear students. Today we all are going to discuss page number 48 of our reader books. On page number 48, there are OW sound words given to all of us. So, our first word is BELOW, means below. O, O, below. LOW, low. BOW, bow. ROW, row. TOW, toe. So, mo. Next, slow, flow, glow and blow. After that, wheel, barrow, narrow, sparrow, tomorrow. Crow, grow, throw, know, show, snow. All these words, they are from OW sound. Dear students, what you all have to do, you all have to pronounce all these words loudly, and after that there is one activity given to all of us. This activity is related to the blend sounds. Blend means mixture. Okay, so we all have studied WH sound, OU sound, okay, TCH sound, okay, and OW sound, or many sounds we all have studied. So this game is related to the sound blend. We all will play this game later, but now I'm going to discuss chapter number 12 with all of you. Chapter number 12's title is The Crow's Nest. You know what do you mean by nest, and you all have seen crow also. Crow is a word which is of black color. His beak is also black color, feathers also black, each and everything black. But in some places, many of you have also seen the crow having grey neck and black feathers. So, but mostly here in our native places, we all have seen in Chamba. I'm talking about Chamba. So Chamba, we all have seen the crow having black colored beak and black colored feathers. Now, first of all, I'm going to discuss the difficult word meaning of this chapter. So first one is fight. What's the meaning of fight? Act of using physical force against someone. फिजिकल फोर्स मीन्स लड़ाई करते हैं तो धक्का मुक्का मारते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फिजिकल फोर्स. नेक्स्ट इज कनिंग. कनिंग मीन्स क्लेवर, चालाक. हॉलीडे, छुट्टी, लीव. नेक्स्ट रॉक, अ बिग स्टोन, बहुत बड़ा पत्थर. वॉइस, आवाज, टोन. रीच, पहुंच जाना. नेक्स्ट, आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द चैप्टर नाउ. You all have to check the pronunciation of each and every word, and also whenever you all will read the chapter, you all have to pronounce the words as I will. Kalu, the crow, lives in a nest. It is growing hot, so he goes for a holiday to another tree. A river flows near the tree. Kalu rows a boat in the river. He likes to walk in the garden. He sows seeds in the garden. He mows the grass. He has a good time for 5 days. He goes back to his nest, but there is a green parrot with a red bow in his nest. It is my nest, says Kalu. But now I live in this nest, says Parrot. Now I'm going to discuss the pictures of this chapter. You all can see that Kalu, on the first picture, you all can see that Kalu is rowing a boat. You all can see one thing also, in the hands of Kalu, they are oars. OARS. Oars means chappu. Okay, with the help of oars we can row the boat. So Kalu having oars in his hands and he is rowing the boat. So for the 5 days he enjoyed a lot. What did he does? What did he do during those days? He walks in the garden, he sows the seeds, and he mows the grass. All these things he did during his 5 days period. Then after that, what happened? When Kalu, one day after finishing his day's work, when Kalu goes back to his nest, what did he see? He sees a green parrot with a red bow in his nest. Now what happened? Kalu shouted on that green parrot that it is my nest. But the parrot says, no, it is now my nest. After that, what happened? You can see the crow gives a blow to the parrot. Blow means dhakka diya usko. The parrot also gives a blow to the crow. There is a big fight. All the animals come to see the fight. The fox says, go to the king. He is sitting under a big rock. He knows what to do, you know. That fox is called as the most cunning animal, most clever animal. Okay, so what happened? When he sees that the crow and the parrot, they both are fighting, then his mouth watered. He wants to eat both crow and the parrot. Now immediately he thought a plan and he says to go under a big rock. Now what happened? That the two of the birds, crow as well as the parrot, they both were foolish. The two birds go to the big rock. The eyes of the cunning fox glow. He thinks, I will eat them, but I must go slow and or they will fly away. You know that the fox knows about each and everything. He thinks that if he will go to all, he will go to the birds very fast, then what will happen? They will fly away. So what happened? When the birds reach the rock, they hear a voice saying, come here and tell me your story. Since it is very dark under the rock, the birds are not able to see the king. They were not able to see the king. Now what happened? As soon as the birds go near the fox, jumps on them. He kills and eats them. Now what happened at the end of the story? That due to their foolishness, the fox eats both of the birds. Now what moral we got from this chapter? We got a moral from this chapter that never quarrel with our friends. Even with anyone, we should not quarrel with anyone. Okay, if we will quarrel, then what will happen? Our enemies, they can take the benefit of our fight. Same thing happened in the story, that the both birds, they started to fight on a very small on a very small issue, and after that what happened, the fox was able to eat both of them. So this was the story of the chapter. Now dear students, what you all have to do, you all have to read the chapter and circle all the OW sound words. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.